I've had a change of heart. So I've never painted interiors before. I've done 2 houses exterior. One of them was not for YouTube. But this time there's a debate. Do you paint the trim first, or you do the floors and then the trim? And I've decided I'm going to do the trim first. And I'm going to also do the doors and everything at the same time. I'm using a fine finish tip. So I'm going to set up a little paint station here. Hopefully I don't get some overspray. If I do, it's no big deal. I'll touch it up. You know, it's my house. I can make these mistakes. But I do have the little cardboard shields, and I'm going to try to do my best to control the overspray. And I think I can do it. I can do all things through Christ who strengtheneth me. Wow, that was the first time I've used this Alex Plus Clear. The last bottle was Alex Plus White. This one's Alex Plus Clear. And man, that just went on like a dream. I mean, that was so smooth. I hope it doesn't like, it says it's flexible and everything, but wow, that was amazing. I'm gonna use this more. I mean, I have like 7 things of it. Wow. So I'm trying to get a smoother finish on my trim than I've done in previous jobs. So I'm going to spray on the paint, and the unprimed areas I'm actually hitting with this stain blocker. It's what I had on hand. I've seen, oh, you know, this one doesn't do as good as the shellac. It's water-based, but we'll try it out. It looks pretty good so far. I did it on the door. So I was planning on painting tonight, but running a little bit late. I did get everything masked off. Take a look. So you see this whole thing's plastic. Now this room is pressurized when I did put this plastic up. So I left a little vent so it can breathe overnight and not rip the plastic off. This plastic I've used it before. It's pretty awesome. Got everything masked off there. Of course, my negative pressure is still working good. Let me just tell you, this Kills primer, the gray stuff, man, that works so good with a really fine finish brush. It is so smooth. I doubt you'll be able to see the grain. See you guys tomorrow morning. I've had a change of heart. It really bums me to say this, but I think I'm gonna pull off the baseboards and paint them once the floor goes in. Now, a lot of thought went into that. I was watching a lot of YouTube videos, and the one thing, this gap, the spacers that come with the kit, I know are going to be lousy on the drywall. You're going to butt it up, or I'm going to butt it up against it, and the spacer is just going to go whoop. So it's going to be really hard to do that. And I was thinking, try to literally just float the floor, but with hammering or using the tapping block on the floor, it's just not going to work out that well. So it's really not that hard to remove the baseboard, especially since it's not caulked. So I'm just going to remove it. They're already cut, so it should go back in pretty easy. The little caulking over the nail holes, that's not hard either. So I'm going to remove them. I'll put them in the garage. I'll paint everything. I'll keep the paint sprayer intact, ready to go. So that way when I do have the floors in, I'll just be able to, I won't have to set up the sprayer again. So hopefully this all goes down today. That's my goal, to have it done by today. I started out a little bit late because I had a pretty bad headache. Let's get the show on the road. Well, that was pretty stressful. The wind was pulling off the plastic, so it's not the best job I could have done. I still want to touch up. That's old caulking. You see the light right there? Still got to touch that up with a brush. So I'm pretty happy. I just see like a few spots of overspray. Got one right there, one right there. But I mean, that's easily touched up, so really happy with how this turned out.